earn in dollars in Nigeria with zero stress. You like the sound of that? Watch on. I have 7 sure ways you can use to earn in dollars in Nigeria right from the comfort of your home. Oh my God. Number 5 is so hot right now. I don't know why nobody is talking about it, but I'm bringing the tea for you. Let me say it now. This is not like an overnight success, okay? You have to do your part, but trust me, it's stressless. Just do the work once or, it's very simple. Let's get into it. But before we continue, the fact that you're watching this tells me that you're a financial woman on to secure the bag. Sis, welcome home. You are at the right place. On this channel, we are all about the money, side hustle ideas, business ideas, investment. I gotcha. Hit the subscribe buttons right away if that's the kind of thing you like to listen, the kind of thing you like to watch, because our community is booming. Okay, let's get right into it. But one more thing. There is a cash prize for 2 people watching this video. Yeah, you're welcome. So that could be you. Keep watching on. It's just my little way of saying thank you for being part of this community. And I'm hoping you're going to use the money to add to your investment portfolio. Okay, let's get started. 7 ways you can earn in dollars in Nigeria. Number 1, digital products. What if I told you that I earn money in 10 different currency? Just look at that. Look at that. And you too can. I'm going to show you how. So by packaging your knowledge, it can be in form of ebook, templates, webinar. You can sell it to people in different countries. And thankfully, we have so many amazing platforms. We have Seller, we have Mainstacks. All of these platforms enable you to sell your knowledge worldwide. And my sister, they are going to be paying you in dollars. I think on some platform, you can withdraw the dollars direct, while some like Seller, they're going to give you the dollar equivalent in Naira. So if this is something you would want to explore further, let me know in the comments. I'm going to create a detailed step-by-step guide, maybe showing you how I create one of my products. And the interesting things, you do this thing with free platforms. You're not paying for anything. Just sit down, do the work once. That's the beautiful thing about digital products. You do the work once and it will keep making money for you. Number 2 way to earn dollars in Nigeria right from the comfort of your home. Virtual assistants. I know you must have heard of this, but you're not sure. How are they doing it? My sister, do you know from just maybe replying emails, replying someone's DM, you can earn in dollars? I know someone personally. I work with her. This lady, one time she was a personal assistant for a coach in the US. Another time she was a social media manager for one company in, I think, UK or something. She's in Nigeria here, in Port Harcourt, and they pay her in dollars. So I know you might say you don't know how this is done. Don't worry. I know a brilliant lady. She's actually a friend that trains people on this thing. And going forward, guess what? I want to be paying for people to go and learn this skill. My sister, I tell you this channel, we are all about women helping each other to secure the bag. Will you be interested in getting the scholarship to go and learn this virtual assistance work? Because this lady, I'm telling you, Jesus, there was a time she showed me screenshots, $500 in less than 1 week. My sister, in less than 1 week, do you know how much the $500 is right now? Hey, so let me know in the comments. If I have people interested, I will try maybe every week or every month. I will pay for some people to go and learn the skill, because my sister, people are earning serious dollars from virtual assistance work. They get work from platforms like Upwork, Guru.com, Fiverr. Don't worry, you will learn all of these things. And just comment in the comments. You might be one of the people that I will choose to pay for this course. Number 3 way to earn money in dollars right from Nigeria. You see this one? There is no way now. If you know financial Jennifer, there is no way I can make a video without this particular one. What is it? Saving and investing in dollars. See, you know you can save your money in dollars, and that we are going to be earning interest. Your money will be growing in dollars. And let me tell you the debt. You know that you don't need dollars actually to start. If you have Naira, you can convert it on the platform. Yes, on this platform, you can swap it. Maybe you can invest in US stock. You can invest in cryptocurrencies. All of these things that when they're paying dividend, they will pay you in dollars. You know how many times I woke up from sleep with emails from global companies, Fiverr, we have, I think, Facebook, Apple, telling me about my dividend earnings in dollars. My sister, Jennifer, is in Lagos earning money from these global companies. You know me now. I I give it to you. If you want a detail, I think I've made a video on this, but let me know. If this is something you are interested in, my next video could be on step by step how you can invest in this US stock, how you can invest in cryptocurrency, or just go ahead, watch these things, see how they work. Because crypto, for instance, has some level of risk. But is that money in it? My sister, there is money, but know what you're getting into because the risk is not here. But trust me, you are going to make cool money from. See, if there is nothing you pick from this video today, start this one. Start these ones. There are different platforms you can use to save and invest in dollar in Nigeria. There is Optimus, there is Bamboo, there are so many of them. So go and explore. Number 4 way for earning dollars in Nigeria: content creation. Why do you think everybody is becoming a content creator now? It's for the dollars, okay? So platforms like Facebook, TikTok, they actually pay you for your videos. Yeah. All of those people you see doing so many crazy things just for the views, it's for the money. And recently, I think Instagram announced that they're going to start paying Nigerian creators. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Hey, if you like, don't get on your ring lights. But trust me, content creation is also a way people earn in dollars. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Wait, I know you've had this different times now, plenty times in the past. But do you know that there is a way, you don't even need to do much. Just see this. You know this lady, this is Obizora. If you go to the link on her bio, you will see this thing. She has a link to Amazon. Once you shop any product on that link, my sister, she's getting a commission. So recently, my friend was telling me that her younger sister, we thought this girl is jobless, so but the girl is balling, she's busy balling. Until we started and asked her, apparently, they go on platforms like this, AliExpress, Amazon, okay? Sometimes she will buy the product. You don't have to worry about the delivery, yeah? The platforms do this, they deliver to Nigeria. She will buy the product, she will use it, she will make content with it, create videos with it, and post it on different channels. Sometimes they even do sponsored ad and post these things. When people see it, they follow the link, they buy. My sister, you are getting commission. And the commission is in dollars, oh, trust me, it's not that hard. It's not as hard as you think. Because you don't have to worry about delivery to Nigeria or something. They handle all of it. So go ahead and explore this. Because this one, I don't think a lot of people are doing it yet. You might be one of the first movers. Your dollar is waiting for you. Number 6 way to earn in dollars from Nigeria: remote work opportunities. I know the number of friends I have that work for global companies. One works for Facebook and he's in this Nigeria. In fact, he's in this Lagos with me, but he's working for Facebook. I know so many people, they are here. They work for global companies all around the world. And thank God for LinkedIn. You don't have to just be searching for jobs in Nigeria alone. With LinkedIn, you know you can filter for countries, search for opportunities in your field, and you can also filter for remote work. Okay, yeah, people get jobs this way. Apply as much as you can because a lot of these companies are looking for. They don't really care about on-site. Since after COVID, most companies are going hybrid, remote, and everything. And for some of them, they like Nigerians because it's like. It's cheaper labor. It's cheaper labor, trust me. I have a friend last year. Their company flew all of them abroad. She works remotely here in Nigeria. But end of the year, they flew all of them abroad to I think it was UK for the end of the year party. My sister, you don't like abroad? You don't like abroad work? Go ahead on LinkedIn. Apply as much as you can. You might be on your way to 10K salary job a month. And the final one on our list today on how you can earn in dollars from Nigeria. Guess what? YouTube. Yes, everybody's telling you start a YouTube channel. My sister, they know what I'm talking about. Why do you think I let my over 1,000 followers on Instagram to come to YouTube? I know. We want to help the tribe. We want to build our billionaire community here. But my sister, I also want the dollars. YouTube pays good money, trust me. I think last year, when Forbes did a feature on the top 50 content creators, most of them are on YouTube. And these people earn millions in a single year. It needs some level of work. It's not something that happens overnight, but trust me, it's consistency. Me, I'm still struggling with the consistency. So yeah, YouTube is the place to be. If like me, you're also looking to earn in dollars. There you have it, financial woman. 7 ways you can earn dollars in Nigeria. Which one do you align more with? Which one do you want me to make a detailed video on it? For most of them, I know people that do it. I've done some personally, but if there's a particular one you want me to go deeper in, let me know. I will do the research for us if I don't have more information. Because my own is to bring you all the tea when it comes to making this money. Thank you so much for watching this far. And hey, like I said, 2 people will be winning cash let's call it maybe 10,000 naira cash each to help support your financial journey. I'm hoping you're going to use it for investment. So we are going to do it this way. We'll pick randomly from the people that will comment on this video now. Watch out for the next video, because on that next video, we are going to pick 2 people from the comment section. So if you have not, jump to the comment section now. Tell me if you like this video. Tell me the video you want me to make, the topic you want me to make more video on. You might just be one of the lucky winners. I know you're a big woman. You don't need the 10,000 naira, but then it's just a way of showing my appreciation for you being a member of this community. Thank you, financial woman. See you on the next video.